road. Let's do a bit of afternoon cooking, some basics.
Far out.
It's okay, it's alright.
Go from A to anywhere with Ampol Foodery. Everything you need to keep you moving.
What are you doing,
Ampol,
cunt?
Australia's own.
Whoa.
I reach for my phone on the floor. Let me just tell Allie to be careful. Junior kicked the phone out of reach and pointed his gun at me.
Whoa, Trump.
What the fuck is that?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
William Morris, the teacher, on
What's a capusis?
We're not Greek. We don't know what Kapusis means. That's the surname. It stands for Tina with 3 E's. Tina.
Watermelon.
That's right, Tina. Watermelon. Yeah. On watermelon.
I thought there's no way we're doing this.
Now there's going to tell me how much I have to fuck around to find out what I need to find out.
Really not going to be a great bike riding day, right? Okay. Finn,
Yes.
what we could do is have a quick look on what's coming through now. Have a quick look on the interwebs and find out what sort of fruit picking there is in Bathurst at this time of year.
Yeah.
Maybe go down and do a farm visit. There is other things other than apples available.
Holy shit!
Yep. Alright, we'll stop and give him a hand.
Holy crap!
Alright, I'm going to pull in front of
I
him.
saw that!
Okay, stop, Finn. Big buzz, just like we hear the V8. I'll pull it in front of him so it's a bit safer. We'll find out what's going on.
Can I go?
Good weather for it.
Huh?
Good weather for it.
Yeah, that's what I reckon. It's just the wind.
with herself. Just standing though. Look at this kid. What's going on?
What?
The kid was standing out the window, like the sunroof. Kid. Straight to Scotty.
You're goddamn right. Stop it!
Oh, go for it, Ranger. Ranger, danger!
Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign.
Sometime in the next 10,000 years, a comet's gonna wipe out all trace of man. I'm banking on it coming back.
Jesus, that's a big sucker, huh?
Fucking hell. Get off the road, for God's sake. Well done.
Oh, look at that, the red one.
Oh, did you caddy?
Yeah, beautiful.
Got the coffee shop will be doing a roaring track.
Right in the middle of the road. Mum, get out the way. Come on. Pop off with that little bugger.